This doorbell camera captures the terrifying early stages of a fire at a neighbor's property. As the video progresses, the fire gradually grows, eventually reaching the house with the doorbell camera. The homeowner was asleep at the time, but was awakened by multiple notifications from his doorbell camera detecting motion. Upon reviewing the footage, he frantically grabbed a fire extinguisher and attempted to put out the fire. Realizing it was too late, he escaped through the back door. The motion detection alerts likely saved his life that night. Likely during the 2016 killer clown craze, this doorbell footage shows someone dressed as a clown walking up to the front door. The person tilts their head and slowly approaches, staring directly into the camera. While it is probably just a prank to scare people, there's a small chance of something more sinister happening. In 2022, a renter uploaded disturbing Ring camera footage captioned, "Zombies want your brain." The video shows a young man covered in what appears to be dirt or blood, repeatedly slamming himself into the front door. On his third attempt, he knocks himself out and collapses over the front porch railing. He groans in pain, flailing his arms and legs, seemingly trying to get back up, but the video ends abruptly. Viewers speculated he might have been under the influence of hard drugs or had a seizure after hitting his head. The homeowner never saw the man again. This footage features a random woman approaching a front door. She acts strangely but breaks character when a car passes to avoid drawing attention. Once the car is gone, she puts her face right up to the camera. The homeowner, upon watching the footage, claimed he had no idea who the woman was. This video, taken on the night of August 10, 2021, shows a woman returning home from work. As she unlocks her door and enters, a man armed with a weapon follows her in. Shortly after, another man appears. They demand her car keys, and after she hands them over, they run outside and drive off in her car. Captured on March 7, 2019, this footage shows a man pouring an entire yellow fuel container in front of a house's door and attempting to light it with a small lighter. Inside the house were a mother and her 2 children. The mother called the police after seeing the footage. The man who lived across the street was arrested and claimed he was trying to get rid of a ghost he had seen. He was charged with attempted homicide and arson. In Phoenix, Arizona, in the dead of night, a homeowner's doorbell camera caught a startling scene. A man armed with a sword, hammer, and axe approached the front porch, brazenly stealing multiple items from outside the house. Despite a passing car, he remained undeterred, eventually leaving with a bag full of stolen goods, the sword still visible under his arm. On February 2nd, 2022, in Houston, a contractor working in a townhome had a terrifying encounter. An unknown masked man armed with a police scanner appeared, forcing the contractor into a bathroom where he was tied up. For over an hour, the intruder ransacked the home, listening for police activity. He then fled with stolen items in the contractor's truck, which was later recovered, though the thief remains at large. In Florida, a homeowner's doorbell camera captured a concerning incident. A man wearing a hat, sunglasses, and a bandana, visibly armed with a handgun, approached the door claiming to have lost his dog. The homeowner confronted him through the camera, prompting the man to quickly leave.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, just wondered if you guys saw a lost puppy. He's a pit bull, blue nose. I believe he came in your yard, but I don't want to look without your permission.
Hey, you at the wrong house, dog.
Alright.
Police believe he targeted multiple homes with a similar story, intending harm, but his identity remains unknown. Uploaded to TikTok in September 2022, a homeowner's footage showed a masked man approaching the house in the early hours. The man peered into windows and attempted to open doors before the homeowner intervened and called the police. Despite efforts, the masked individual's identity remains a mystery.